Good morning, guys. Hello, hello. How are you today? How are you doing today? Good, good, that's cool. Hello, hello, guys. So we got nice drop on gold to New York midnight open. Why I was I didn't trade this. Why I was looking for this level, because between 3 and 7 a.m. price never ever tested New York midnight open. So we want to see this level taken after 8:30 a.m. right? So at 8:35 we took New York midnight open, nice. So what I expect to get, if it's going to break above this level, strong break above New York midnight open, long to aim for 46.20. Full margin. Wow. So what else I wanted to say? I forgot. Oh yeah, guys, about giveaways. I clearly can see if you entered more than once, if you change your IP or something like this. So one person entered 16 times. So I can't see this. I can see you change your IP. So please, don't do this. Don't enter more than once on giveaway, because, guys, this program is going to delete your entry if you entered more than once. So someone entered 16 times. This guy or girl changed IP 16 times. It's not fair. It's not how giveaway work. Giveaway like basically every single day. So yes. So long. That's my trade idea. If it's going to break New York midnight open. So strong break above this level. I would like to see high. Guys, remember what happened yesterday? Well, let me take a screenshot. So trade idea for gold provided there. I'm gonna take it. Now I guess. Yes, I like it. But I'm going to show you something first. 1 second. 1 second, I will show you my trade first. Yeah. Yesterday, we took long together. Remember this? I added to my position and I stopped out. Honestly, I had to put stop loss here. I just don't know why I didn't. So I entered again at exactly the same level. It hit my TP. So I was annoyed yesterday, I would say, because probably I put the wrong stop loss. But I ended up being green on this evaluation accounts, because these evaluation accounts so far like do not it's good. So yeah, I entered here and I closed my trade for $640 or something like this. I never message people in Discord. So this trade was taken on TradingView TV already. So let's see, trying to break, not break, no break yet. So if it's going to break this level, I will try to long. I like this low resistance to upside here. Let's see. Extremely annoying long yesterday, because, you know, guys, I was planning to short yesterday on ES. Instead, I just stuck inside consolidation on gold. I added to my position, stopped me out, then I entered again. It just was wasting of time, seriously. Not worth it. Not worth of my energy. 6:30 AM. Yeah, I didn't see this. It is what it is. And I ended up on my gold trade yesterday. I said 621 bucks. I entered with 5 micros. My entry was at 46.28 and I closed 19 points. I like longs. I'm gonna go just for base hit, I guess. Not going to hold until it go to TP. If I'm going to enter with 4 micros, let me calculate where is my base hit. There aren't like 13 points. Yes, 13 points. If entry here, I need 13 points at 08. Okay, I got it. Just calculated. Quick calculation in my mind. Then there's a break. Yeah, break above New York midnight open. I'm not sure. It's okay. It's okay. I'm waiting for the break above New York midnight open. I will try to break right now. I will try to long. With 4 micros. Maybe 3 micros. No, 4 micros. I like it. 5-minute chart also looks good. We didn't get the closure yet, but I like it. Don't long. Maybe I'm going to be your liquidity. So let's see if it's going to break above New York midnight open. I will long. We'll aim for 46.08, 10 because it's going to base hit with 4 micros. Like it right now. Stop loss is going to be right at Asia low. We got 3-minute closure. 50 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. But we got 3-minute closure. Options here is... Let me take a screenshot to show you. We have options here for entry. Personally, oops. I'm going to take a screenshot. Personally, I'm going to use just break. Why cannot take screenshot? It's too big? Too big. How can I reduce this? What about now? Oh yeah, way better. Here's your options. First, I'm just going to... my entry is break above New York midnight open, but here's the options. We got strong closure above below New York midnight open. We are going to use the very first fair value gap that we got after break above or below New York midnight open. So basically the test entry. Another one was sweep of New York midnight open. I mean, it's not going to work right now because we're not interested in this. We are interested in first option, ideally. My entry is break. Your entry can be, it's up to you, but your entry can be, for example, fair value gap. Oops. It's trying to form fair value gap, but just in case you didn't enter as a break, you can enter it potential fair value gap here. Once again, I'm going to show you again options. So normally we have 4 options to trade New York midnight open levels. For now, option is going to be, for you is this one option. Or you can enter option like this. So basically, minor retracement, order block. But ideally to form fair value gap. So this option is best option once we got the strong closure. Did we get strong closure? Yes. So technically you can use this one. Yes, I entered with 4 micros. As I said before. I may add to position. We will see, I don't know. My base hit is $500. Where is $500? I don't know. 1 second. At 08, but it's once again. We will see. I would like to see more. Maybe my entry wasn't perfect, I mean, in terms of structure, because I just entered as a break. But ideal entry is basically fair value gap retest, in my opinion. My task is to hit base hit. This take profit trader accounts. Oops, disappeared. Base hit is around, I don't know, base hit $500 is going to be around 07 or so. It's a small size. No, I entered as a break, right as a break. Maybe not perfect entry. I'm doing just okay. Not perfect, but just okay. I prefer to trail. Let's see what kind of reaction we are going to get. My stop loss probably should be at New York midnight open. Why? Where is New York midnight open? At 95.7. Because we got strong break above this level, I don't want to see price going to New York midnight open again. So ideally, maybe I need to put my stop loss at 95. Where I entered? Oh, it's pretty much where I entered. Okay. Oh, I hope it's not going to hit at 95.7. So this level is New York midnight open. I would like to see higher. I would like to see the test of this fair value gap and continuation. Let's see. I don't want to see price breaking below New York midnight open again for longs. All I want to see, we're going maybe the test of this 5-minute fair value gap and continuation. Just would like to see higher. We got minor. Oh, we didn't hit this level, right? I would like to see higher. Structure just okay for me. We got strong break above New York midnight open. Pretty much once we broke below New York midnight open, we were consolidating, right? Nothing happened. Here's the Asia low taken, equal lows basically taken. We need to get premium again. Premium level is going to... I would like to see higher than my my exit. Ideal target for me is going to be 46, 10, 15. It's conservative TP, ideal target. But we have low resistance to upside. I would go to 20s. Seriously. Yeah, buy at fair value gap should work. I hope so. At this fair value gap, right? Where's your TP? Look at this 15-minute break. We got closure above New York midnight open. No way it's going to retrace to New York midnight open again without hitting 50% and more. Seriously. Because in my opinion, since we got strong closure on 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, right now makes sense to continue going higher. And my TP is not TP that I would like to see. I would like to see way higher. I just would like to look $500 on this take profit trader funded accounts. And that's pretty much it. $1 commission. This means another box is going to be an exit. Yeah, it's just right $500. Oh, we got exactly the same entry. Yeah. I hope it's going to bounce to 46.10, 14. I would like to see OT. Once again, according to model we have... Oops. Where I'm passing this, okay. Number one option is in play right now on 3-minute chart and 5-minute chart. As I said before, this is your ideal entry. Mine wasn't perfect. Mine was aggressive simply because I entered right at the break. Once again, maybe it wasn't smart. But yeah, once again, I would like to see... I would say it's playing right now. Fair value gap, not drop pump at this point. Since we got strong break above New York midnight open. Let's see if idea that I explained in my video is going to play out today. Because if so, it's really cool to see this in real time, right? But entry where I said before 3-minute fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap better in my opinion. Because I entered once we got break and immediate pullback. It was aggressive. Of course, I want to lift runner, but unfortunately, if I'm going to lift runner, it's going to be less than base hit on this partial. So I'm going to leave my mental runner higher. If it's going to take me out right now, I hope so. I would like to leave my mental runner higher to this area here. 12, 14 area. Yeah, I mean, Take profit trader accounts, guys. It's really I'm not going to. I hate trading throwdown. It's not for me. So I would rather just place hit and go away, since I only trade TPT now. Ideal stop loss at New York midnight open, in my opinion, because if price is going to trace back to New York midnight open, probably it's going to be invalidation. So see, we hit 50% right now of this move down. I would like to see still higher. Nothing changed. Can it overreaction now? Yes, it can. Do we have low resistance to upside? Definitely yes. So this means I don't want to see big reaction from 50%. I would like to see at least OT 62. Alan, where's your TP? Let's compare. I would like to see at least 62%. I'm going to leave my mental runners there. Oh, I like it. Because 14.3 is 70.5. I like it. Totally agree with your target. Really want to position myself before a market open, because I noticed on gold, sorry guys, last 3 days, price action after 10 was BS. Just account blowing price action, in my opinion. Where's my TP at 07? Okay. See this? Annoyed. It's all about base hit. Okay, I'm going to count and not going to count. Okay. My mental runner left to higher. I would like to see higher, guys. If you're still holding from fair value gap, hold it. I used break on 5-minute chart. I was a bit aggressive. Guys, if you're still holding, you can take part. If you enter at fair value gap where I recommended to enter, take partial here, leave the rest to 14 if you can. It's not financial advice, just my recommendation. If you entered at fair value gap, guys, take partial now because you're already up 10 points. And leave Friday to 14. My friendly recommendation cannot give you financial advices, if you can. Let's do quick W for now, for partial at least. Daniel, where did you enter? 1R? Can you take partial? How many contracts right now in? Guys, take partial where we are right now if you can, because we entered premium right now. Basically, we got moved from discount to premium. Can you please take partial here? Just recommendation and to lock some profit. And you can leave the rest to 14. But we have low resistance to upside. Actually, we can pump to 20s easily. That's not financial advice, of course. Yeah, I didn't, but once again, it's just my friendly recommendation. Yeah, move from discount to premium, like, that's pretty much it. Of the range. Yeah, I'm still holding my mental runner to 14 because I would like to see higher. How to take partials? Where? On TradingView? Yeah, exactly. Exactly, that's great recommendation. I would take partial here and I would leave runner to 14, yes. And now I would trail my stop loss to 98. I would trail my stop loss to 98 now, at the bottom of fair value gap. It's not really breakaway gap, fair value gap. It's not breakaway gap for me personally. Yeah, closed completely. I was, take profit trader. It's better for me to base hit and just walk away with these accounts. I'm just going to switch right now another account. On TradingView, I don't want to connect, but you can just create order and make this limit order. So we hit 62%. Perfect. Right now, what we can expect? From 62%, can we get reaction? Well, it's take profit trader. I passed the wall millions years ago. I don't trade enough take profit trader. I just enter once a week because I still have trading drawdown there. I'm just positioning myself once a week on these accounts. I know it's stupid. Just need to trade this every single day. But yeah, it's pro accounts. It's funded accounts. So right now, what I can see, guys, I cannot see a strong reaction from 62% yet, but I would trail my stop loss right now at 99.8 for now, because I can expect reaction from 62%. Not sure how big reaction is going to be, but I would trail stop loss right now here at 90, basically at 4,600. My concern right now on gold is, yeah, Alan, just trail. My concern right now on gold is it's pretty much higher from consolidation, and I'm not quite sure if we need to aim for liquidity to liquidity. Just aim for conservative levels, scalp for 1 hour. That's probably a smart decision when we're trading inside lower, high time frame and medium time frame consolidation, right? Broker, depends. Do you want to trade prop firm accounts? Do you want to trade your personal account? You can use NinjaTrader, TradeAway, AMP for personal accounts, for trading micro ES, micro gold on futures prop firms, any prop firm you like. Good morning. So guys, once again, I would trail my stop loss right now at 4,600. I would put my TP at 46.14. So I'm completely out on this trade, but if you're still holding, if I was in this trade, I would hold to this level. And I would completely close my trade at 46.14. Just saying. My mental runner set to this level. Since I'm completely out, I'm just saying what I would do. Now I would trail my stop loss right now at 02. 46.02 is... Oh, I took this long, I already closed this trade. I just saying if I hold the runner, I would close my position at 14. And if I still hold this trade, I would put my stop loss right now at 46.02. I'm just trying to say, if you still in trade, what I would do if I was you. Just saying. You're too excited. I'm holding my mental runner right now. You're waiting for me to close? I will tell you. I will tell you. Re-enter where? I expect to get just delivery right now. No way to re-enter. I mean, I got my 13 points on this long. I mean, no complaints. Just keep going higher. I like it. Base hit, base hit. I could make $800, but I made $500 on this funded take profit trader accounts. Cannot complain, right? Just, it's my TP for the day. 46.14 on market is a scam. Look at this. Just straight move up to 46.14 now. Look at this. 14 is going to be hit. 1, 2, 3, hit. W in the chat. We're closing here. Yay. It's funny because immediately I started stream, I said I will long this. Such a solid move up. I mean, like, guys, right according to our model. Idea is explained in New York Midnight Open video. Exactly this happened. Just need to invert this chart. Model number 1. I provided 4 models to trade New York Midnight Open over here. On my video, YouTube video, new YouTube video about New York Midnight Open. If you didn't watch this, you can watch this. I provided 4 models, guys, to trade New York Midnight Open for you. First one, play out. Just invert this. That's pretty much it. My entry was a bit aggressive because I entered right at the break. But knowing myself, I would enter it here. It's okay. Here's a model, 4 models to trade New York Midnight Open. It doesn't mean you need to trade them, but it works. Silver short? I mean, which one? Today's short? I didn't take silver short today. Talking about yesterday trade, you probably saw this. I posted this on Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. We traded 3? Yeah, it could be option as well. Pretty much. Let's switch on 2-minute chart real quick. 1-minute chart. Because I cannot post this on YouTube because of music. But guys, I'm going to send you a link. Highly recommend to watch this because how many videos you saw on YouTube, you watch on YouTube about New York Midnight Open? Did you find any good videos about New York Midnight Open which explains how it works, how to trade this, and why it actually works? Because when I was trying to, I'm fine to add some information that I learned from other traders. I always credited them. But I was trying to do research about New York Midnight Open on YouTube, on Google, and I found nothing. Seriously, nothing. And I was like, well, lots of people talking about New York Midnight Open, but how to use this? Because you saw lots of traders. I don't watch live streams. I'm not sure if people use this. But I'm just scrolling like Twitter from time to time, and I see I traded from New York Midnight Open. Why? And no one explains why. Why you traded from this level? What happened at this level? ICT covered this in one of his mentorships. 2023, maybe, or 4. I don't remember even which video it was. If Michael is here, please, can you tell us about New York Midnight Open, which video it was? I don't remember. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Such a coincidence. It offered reaction. But yeah, I believe I covered pretty much everything about New York Midnight Open, and it was extremely easy to understand. Guys, here's video about New York Midnight Open. I highly recommend to watch this video several times, because understanding New York Midnight Open is very important when you're trying to build intraday, when we're looking for intraday range and how big range is going to be, how we can trade manipulation. Ideally, you don't want to trade it, but it's fine. Option is perfectly fine. So to trade manipulation means we are going to sweep New York Midnight Open and nothing else. No strong closure. We're trading manipulation at this point. Or 100 CP distribution, high probability distribution. So for example, yesterday I traded short on silver using exactly the same idea. Distribution at the break below New York Midnight Open. Second stage or first stage of market maker sell model. Do you think ES will... I think ES is going to... It's tricky, but my TP for ES... I didn't even open the chart yet. My TP for ES is going to be 7,025. I have only one concern, which is probably just concern, nothing else, is... Look at this New York Midnight Open level. You know, it's flat candle. How big chance to drop 50 points on ES? I would say small chance, because it's really going to be huge drop. I'm just not sure from what level I would like to short to New York Midnight Open, because we opened way above this level. I entered as a break below above New York Midnight Open. I was a bit aggressive, as I said before. That's why I entered for micros. If I wasn't like in rush, I don't know why I was in rush, to be honest. I would enter it for a value gap, as I recommended to do for everyone else, with more contract, like 6-7 micros. 6-7 micros. Why I said this? Well, let's talk about this. So basically, New York Midnight Open is, I'm not going to spoil this, you can watch this video. It's basically center point of dealing range for the day, intraday range, right? But you can actually use 10 AM open for our open in exactly the same way. It's going to be just 4-hour candle range, 10 AM, 2 PM, for example. So I would say you can use this in exactly the same way. 10 AM open. I would say I use 10 AM open in exactly the same way as New York Midnight Open. Why? Because 10 AM open is basically 4-hour candle open. I want to trade 4-hour candle range from 10 to 2. Yeah, it works on 4. It works pretty much everywhere. Guys, you don't need to immediately open position because I said so. Backtest first. Make sure it works for you. And then trade. Cannot recommend to execute models they provided you simply because I provided this. I could just pick random charts and just say short this or long this. No. Backtest this, make sure it works for you, and right after this, trade this. Okay, guys? Just be smart. Look at SPX. Well, I wasn't in the situation before. We have OT of RTH gap from yesterday. And we never filled this gap. Oh my god, I wasn't in this situation before. What should I do with this information? Huge RTH gap, exactly same idea. Waiting for the tradesman down now to this area. And let's see if it's going to offer the action. You said it, I'm not backtesting. Why? Why? No short in gold possible for me yet. Until we get strong structure for this. I cannot see any... I'm okay to trade again. I'm just looking at 3 and 5 minute chart. I see nothing that's worth to try. Also silver. It's funny because this morning I was like... By the way, it's my trade from yesterday on silver. I made a lot of money. Yesterday was one of my biggest days in terms of profit on funded accounts. So guys, as you can see, I was talking with my husband today about this morning, actually, right before stream. I asked like, what do you think about setup on silver? And he said, it was hourly chart, I believe. He said like OT is going to be first area. He knows ICT well, just saying. He said OT is going to be nice area for the action. I was like, that's perfect because I'm looking for like some reaction on gold as well. So far it's staying above New York midnight open. We never tested this level yet, while gold already broke above this level. So what I think about this? If we are going to displace right now from New York, not New York midnight open, from OT, I want to see all the way up, back to Asia high, back to all-time high today. But considering idea that we never ever tested New York midnight open since New York midnight open, I still can anticipate another leg down. Leg down is going to be not to New York midnight open, it's going to be to sell side here. So if it's going to provide MXM only, what did he send? It's bet or not? Because can you please translate for me? OT optimal trade entry. I also have video about this on my YouTube channel. By the way, guys, while I'm here, let me find my notes. It's here. What video should I post about... What video should I post on my YouTube? I remember about volume profile, but what else? Give me ideas, guys, for New York midnight open. Not New York midnight open, for new video on YouTube. New York midnight open already posted. Because I had plans for the intraday trading drawdown and end of the day drawdown. I'm done with this. Tradify select one, done with this. 50 tracement down. Which video, guys? Give me options. I will do this for you. Backtest. I have backtest on my YouTube already. Exactly same model I trade. I have backtest for this. Do you stream Friday? What is going to be on Friday? Okay, thank you so much. Just to make sure, I don't need to use Google Translator. Okay, all levels you use. I mean, I already have this about a video about this on my YouTube channel. It calls intraday bias. Nothing changed since then. Psychology is going to be a bit hard part, I guess, because I have issue with this as well sometimes. Okay, what else? Probably I can try to record new video about bias. What else? Hide from bias, that's great. Time frame alignment. It's basically market maker model. but it can be a good idea. Time frame. What else? Daily trade plan. It's pretty much intraday bias, but pre-market routine probably, right? Give me 5 more ideas, guys. Daily templates. It's pretty much daily plan, like pre-market, I would say. Yeah, thank you so much. I worked really hard about on this video about New York Midnight Open. Key levels, yeah, it's going to be covered in intraday bias video. Psychology, how to inversion for value gaps. I would say Ryan Doji has lots of video about inversion for value gap. I'm not sure I'm going to explain this well, to be honest, because I don't use this. So far, I have 5 options. Because recording videos about like fair value gap, I guess, does not make any sense. Okay, Ryan is a good guy, I would say. So I don't see any reason to hate on him, to be honest. Market structure video. I'm going to record market structure video. I like this idea. Market structure. I like it. I'm going to record this one. When to avoid market? You know, I never avoid market unless it's like really high impact news. We keep going higher. I don't see structure for sure just yet. So I would try to wait for like really good shift in structure on 5-minute chart to consider shorts. It's still bullish to me. We have low resistance to upside. I would go to 46 20s, guys. 20. I would go here to this area. So my target probably for the day on ES is going to be 7,025. And on NQ, it's going to be previous monthly high. It also equal highs. Or we're going to trade silver. So I'm going to switch on my accounts. By the way, guys, TradingView ends tonight. TradingView ends tonight. So if you want to try to trade with TradingView, personal trade TradingView every single day. TradingView Select Plan, that's account I trade right now. Plus I have Lightning Fund accounts. So 30% off is going to expire tonight. So if you want to try TradingView, but you were thinking about this, where to buy, when to buy, which account to pick, I have a video about TradingView on my YouTube channel. It calls TradingView Explained. So I highly recommend to watch this video, and if you want to try them, 30% off is going to expire tonight. So personally, if you're beginner, like really beginner, and you're looking for a prop firm to start with, so I highly recommend TradingView Select Plan. So once again, it's this deal expired tonight at 11:59 p.m. New York time. So make sure to get your accounts today. Plus, I'm not sure if you saw this and you're looking for prop firms which allows to trade micro silver, because, you know, guys, most prop firms don't allow to trade micro silver contracts. And yesterday I got lots of hate about saying you traded demo, because prop firms don't allow to trade micro silver. Lucid allows to trade micro silver contracts. So guys, if you want to try Lucid, you never tried this before, they're running 45% off now for new users. So you can trade micro silver there. This is what I do. I hope TradingView is going to add option to trade micro silver. I hope so, please. So it's going to be even better. But for now, we have option to trade micro silver on Lucid only. 45% off on Lucid accounts for new users. You picked two 150k Lightning with TradingView. Guys, I figured out that I really like 150k accounts, and I personally trade 150k Lightning Fund accounts, plus I trade Select Plan now. Top 5. Okay. Number 1 is going to be TradingView, especially the Select Plan. Best of the best. Number 2 is going to be Lucid, of course. Flex Plan, way to go. Number 3 is going to be Take Profit Trader. I traded them today on stream. It was, I have funded account, but once again, once you pass your Take Profit Trader evaluation, you don't need to pay activation fee. Number 4 is going to be Epics. You want to hate me on this? I don't really care. Epics, it's for me. And number 5 is going to be Funded Next Futures. That's my top 5. Maybe you have different one. I'm trying right now Alpha Futures. I already have accounts. Also, I'm trying Funded Futures Network. What else I started? Nothing else. It's Alpha Futures and Funded Futures Network. The 2 new platforms I started, guys, with last week. I don't trade with my Funded Futures. I put CPT number 3. Take Profit Trader is way to go as well. Why it's number 3 but number and not number 1? Because Take Profit Trader has intraday trading drawdown, while Select Plan and TradingView daily option does not have trading drawdown, intraday trading drawdown. They have end of the day, which is nice for me. It works for me better. Yeah, you know, Funded Futures Network. I was surprised to see, because country where I'm from, guys, Belarus, they allowed to trade futures in Belarus using a Funded Futures Network. I even had a call to make sure if it's right, because Russia and Ukraine are in the restricted list, but Belarus is not. And if you're from Belarus and you're looking for trade futures, I double check, guys, with support. You can trade Funded Futures Network. To trade futures, yes, in Q futures. So it's really cool option for me. I mean, not for me because I'm like US citizen, but if I was in Belarus, it's really cool option. Signals. Have you ever tried top 1? Not yet. But also, guys, why I like Funded Next Futures, one-time evaluation fee, really way to go. Especially the Rapid Plan, you don't need to build the buffer for Rapid Plans. So I also have Funded Futures, Funded Next Futures. Really cool platform. I mean, I see some hate about this, but I had only good experience with Funded Next Futures. With Funded Ticks, I wouldn't say so, but with Funded Next Futures, yes, perfect experience. Really like the Rapid Challenge plan. They had option, it was like last week, Bolt accounts also was great option, but I like Rapid more. Alright, guys, switching my TPT right now to TradingView accounts. Gonna trade my Select accounts. Let me switch leader account right now to this one and this one, and I will trade ES chart. I'm gonna just wait for setup. Look at this, exactly same scenario happened yesterday. I like it. There's 25%. Yesterday we got huge RTH gap, right? Price tested 25%, dropped. Right now, what is going on? We hit 25%, price trying to offer the action. Yeah, I guess Epics is nice simply because they allow to trade 20 accounts. That's why they're still on my top 5. So I'm doing giveaway today. It's going to be TradingView Select Plan, which I'm going to trade today. And if you want to try Select Plan, 30% off right now, and deal is going to expire tonight. Okay, guys, let's focus right now on setup. I'm okay to trade more today, like why not? Oops. A bit choppy, but I like it. I'd like to see lower. Oops, and micro, yes. Just waiting for proper structure to enter the trade. Especially we got the closure here. Looking for short, but looking for setup first. I need 5-minute chart, my bad. I may use 5-minute OP for short. I mean, actually I could use just this candle for short. It's just valid. Let me see how big risk if I decide. It's going to be aggressive. I'm not going to probably take it. But aggressive entry is going to be here. Down here. It's aggressive entry, but not aggressive. Probably is going. I would like to probably even lower, to see even lower. Stop loss 1.5. This one is better for me. I'm just gonna wait for the closure. Okay, gonna switch right now. Which time frame is this? 5. Don't like this weeks, that's why I'm not on this trade. If it's going to close, I will try to short. Select accounts with TradingView. Less than 2 minutes left. Interesting, because considering NQ chart right now, we got 5-minute order block. We never got 5-minute OB on yes yet. Guys, click the like, subscribe, so I can do more giveaways, more content for you. So it's only 140 likes. Let's do more. Let's do more, especially like I can run more giveaways. More people, more giveaways. More people, more likes, more giveaways. No closure. I'm going to do this. I'm not doing this trade. I'm not in trade. Nothing to show. I will show. I mean, not in trade. Okay, we got the closure here. It's 10 a.m. It's 10 a.m. open. Do we have any news at 10? What is the date today? Thursday, right? We don't. Okay. We got the closure. We got 5-minute OB. Same on 3-minute chart. I'm still flat. Nothing to show. I mean, nothing to show. Seven points to make 12. So what is going on right now? We got the closure price trying to retest. Right? I'm just going to be patient right now. A bit too high for me. But yeah, I will try the short. 7 points. Look at NQ, guys, right now. 1 second. Look at NQ right now. Lots of wicks here. Not normal wicks, I would say. SPX. I would like to see... Yeah, I would like to see shorts. 7 points risk. I'm not going to trade lots of contracts at this point. 7 micros. I will show you once I enter. Like, I'm just watching now. Why I'm kind of watching this, once again, just to show you, I'm not on trade. Why I'm watching right now, I kind of don't like this wicks right now on 5-minute chart on NQ. Kind of not fan of this. I'm going to delete just for now, simply. Maybe it's looking confusing, I'm not on this trade. This wicks just ugly. I'm going to wait a little bit more, guys. Kind of not fan of this wicks. I just know, like, when we have this kind of wicks, it's normally 50-50 setups. It's real, especially when it's bullish trend, probably just need to wait for some displacement down. Displacement down I might try, but as long as we consolidating near this OB, so kind of don't like it. Yeah, still flat, not touching this. Let's switch on the silver real quick. Oh wow, look at this pump here as well. Would like to see SPX lower, that's why I'm looking for short. That's basically main reason of shorts. I would like to see lower because of this. But the issue, I don't like consolidation that we have now there. I think to confirm short that I'm going to take, I would like to wait for the break below this low to try to 50%. I'm okay to scalp just 10 points. I don't need more, but I would try to wait for more like confirmed entry. Something like this I can try. Not like this, right? Like this. I can try this one. I just not fun how it looks right now on NQ and on SPX. Garbage price action. So far, just consolidation. It's fine. Just 10:05. Come on, we have lots of time still. Why to complain? It's fine. Gold trade was better, in my opinion, just a bit more obvious levels. Here's the chap, but once again, I don't mind to scalp 10 points. I'm going to stay on SPX for now. Too much chap for me. You know, guys, you will notice when gold, like metals, moving so good, most of the time indices just inside the chop consolidation. I mean, definitely there is structure for short, but what I don't like is just overall picture right now. I don't want to take unnecessary losses simply because I saw like First confirmation for short. Yes, I see confirmation for short, but structure looks so bad. Short doesn't look bad, once again, but overall picture, yes, it's just chop. You know how I trade consolidation, guys. I'm not fan of this. We're still stuck inside. Let's check gold and silver again. If I will trade silver, I will let me connect my Lucid accounts for silver. Once again, guys, to trade silver, you can trade silver mini contracts pretty much on any prop firm, but to trade micro silver, unfortunately, not every single prop firm allows this. You need to trade either Lucid, I guess Alpha Futures. What else, guys? Who knows? Someone said Tapstep, but I'm not sure Tapstep because I cannot check this. But Lucid 100%. Alpha, I saw many comments about this. It looks like yes as well. Tapstep, yes. Look at NQ leaving this equal highs, equal lows. Just garbage. Dropping. I mean, once again, I said before, I like it, but once again, structure is horrible. Yeah, I'm not fan of Tapstep simply because it offers Project X only. It's not for me, so red flag. Minor SMT right now. SPX still didn't break this low. Funded next? Oh, that's cool. Funded next futures as well. Let's see if silver can offer some retracement down. We can try to trade the retracement. Look at this here. See this week down? So close to New York midnight open, but reversed. I would like to see this one. If it's going to break this low, I will only at this point I will try to short. Right now it's just consolidation, guys. Look at SPX. Even if I see structure only yes right now to short, SPX is still nothing to short. Like nothing here to short. Absolutely nothing. Because I hate to trade the chop, and right now chop is pretty much everywhere. SMT at highs, SMT at lows. Welcome. To TradingView, yes, you got trader weight connection. Just use provided username and password, and yes, of course, you can trade Lucid on TradingView. Sorry, guys. Yesterday, first time on my I guess for the first time on TradeDeFi TV, I executed on TradingView because people asked me, but I'm not fun because I'm just focused on my trade. I just ignore every single validation. I just prefer to execute on Ninja Trader because I don't really look at these charts there when I'm in trade. And yeah, but once again, I will continue executing on TradeDeFi TV on TradingView simply because, oh, actually it connected here. See? You cannot see this. I just realized this. Wow. Why I still have connection? Yeah. Just realize this. It's cancelled. I don't like it, guys. Not fan of this. Even if it's going to drop right now. I guess if I will execute on Ninja Trade, I might take, not take perfect trade. Tradify, you will see this on screen here. Also cool. What a chop. Once again, SPX, no confirmation for me to short. I'm fine. I'm just gonna wait. But you will notice, guys, I already said this before, I'm going to repeat again. If gold opened so well, it just trend perfect with my net retracements, indices are going to be chop. I don't know why, I cannot explain this, but it's going to be garbage most of the time. Guys, once again, if you would like to participate in giveaway and you entered giveaway, you need to stay in the chat. Because once I call your name and you didn't respond or didn't say anything like it's me, hello, I won, woohoo, blah, 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 I will pick another winner. Today I'm doing 250k select daily. So you have to stay in the chat. Yeah, 50k select, not daily. Just you can pick daily or flex. But see, guys, what is going on right now? Happy I didn't enter short yet. I mean, right now, really happy I'm not in short, but yesterday I was disappointed because short yesterday I expected to get the short. Exactly what I expected to get happened. Yeah, at that point I was disappointed. Right now, should I be disappointed with this chap? Of course not. Oops. Wow. Okay, let's switch on silver and gold. Not worth it of our energy right now to watch. CL, not fun. SPX, of course. SPX, short wallet based on this scenario. At this point, I can try to short the yes. As long as we sit inside the range but respecting 25%, I'm fine to just sit on my hands and not moving. Just don't trade this. Unnecessary losses, absolutely. Like I don't like losses, especially. I mean, who likes losses, right? But at this point, entering the trade inside this chart without confirmation, at least on SPX, for me, is just chasing the price, I guess. For strategy, I trade. Maybe we'll find something on silver, guys, or gold. On silver, we'll trade. How big range? Let me see. Just like a couple of micros, 1-2 micros. Gold or silver? Let's see where setup is going to be better. I need to open SPX on my other screen, so I will not miss this. Yes, exactly. You know, I can be fine with losses. Yesterday I was pretty much fine with loss. But when I enter the trade and I know in advance probably it's going to be a bad idea, probably it's going to be a bad entry, but I want to execute simply because I need to execute in front of people like more than once, I will be disappointed because of this. I hope you understand what I mean. But once again, guys, it's only 10:16. We still can get set up. Just for now, nothing. It's fine. So guys, talking about giveaways. Once again, I'm going to repeat this again. You can enter just once. If you're trying to change IP or change username or change your Google, I don't know, like your email, whatever you're trying to do, it's not going to work like this. So you can enter just once because I can see any changes you made and you're not going to participate in this giveaway anymore. So it must be fair and you can just enter once. For now, I saw, let me make sure once again, I saw 16 entries from one person. He just changed his IP, 18 entries. It's just insane, guys. So it's not fair. I'm not going to participate in this. Seriously, guys, it's not fair. It's not a, I don't want to do this. So if you'd like to participate, participate just once. You're not going to be sad because of this later. Okay? So keep going higher. Once again on gold, we have low resistance to downside. Once we hit this level, we can try to trade again on gold or silver. Which one is better? So if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, guys, here's the link. You must stay in the chat until the end of stream. So at 11 a.m. I will announce winners. So we're still looking for a second trade. We already took long before. Looking for second trade now. So talking about long on gold, I'm making right now notes why I took the trade. I'm going to repeat again. So we hit Asia low. Asia low was equal highs, equal lows. Second confirmation was strong break above New York midnight open. So I entered as a break, guys, with stop loss at swing low here at Asia low, not here, but at Asia low, and I was aiming for OT. So if you didn't watch my video about New York midnight open, I highly recommend to watch this, simply because I use this idea to enter today. Pretty much. You're still beginner. I'm really happy to be helpful, guys. So once again, low resistance to upside. We should take liquidity levels from here. So I would like to see pre-market high probably, but if not pre-market high, at least first liquidity before pre-market high. So it's 46.25. I mean, you know, guys, it was a bit I was disappointed this morning because I was like, we should hit New York midnight open. But I was watching price action, I was like, just no entry to short this. But I wish I saw entry, but nothing to short to New York midnight open. But long here was just okay. Yes, we didn't get sweep, but idea was just here. It should offer the action. We have low resistance to upside. Missing the trade right now, especially if we are going to get strong break above New York midnight open, it's not going to be smart. So I will try just to wait for structure. So I made $500 on my Take Profit Trader Fund account. So feeling good about this. I connected Lucid to trade micro silver in case we can get set up if we are going to get set up. But if not, I will continue trading TradingView today. Probably I'm going to wait for some reaction just. Where's some reaction from pre-market low to trade retrace one down. At 11 a.m. I will announce winners, guys. Once again, TradingView is running 30% off and deal is going to expire tonight. Yeah, so far, guys, I'm so happy we entered long and we didn't trade BS, ES or NQ today. Gold was just easy to read today. You know, cannot complain about profit. Of course, I could make more, but once again, cannot complain. See, SPX never confirmed short. That's why I said I'm not going to trade it BS. Price action. Just as good. Yeah, you like it? Yeah, I like this as well. Guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, I'm doing 50k select plan from TradingView. Here's a link to participate in giveaway. Yeah, this music is perfect. How to participate in giveaway? Click the link, fill the form. Alan, did you trade yesterday? See, it was just not worth it. My probably target for ES, maybe not right now, but overall for ES is going to be around 7,025. It's 50% of daily week over here. Since we're consolidating right now, I would try to do trades lower, but I don't see shorts, a confirmation for shorts on SPX chart yet. But I would try to do trades lower and I could try long. Or I will just trade silver or gold, like whatever. Based on model, I usually trade gold. We didn't get set up. But guys, once again, based on idea I explained in my video, yes, we got solid setup for a long here. That's why we traded. Yeah, as said before, I'm going to repeat this third time or fourth time, I don't know. When gold and silver moves good, without consolidation, just straight up, straight down, index is just going to be inside consolidation, just going to be BS, not really tradable, account blowing price action. So I just don't want to be like the person who's trading consolidation and blows accounts, you know? Idea is to show good example, right? When you need to stay away from garbage when you need to trade, right? Yeah, thank you so much. I see lots of people enjoyed video about New York Midnight Open, guys. I was working hard on this video. I was trying to collect as much as I can useful information, as much information I can collect, guys. So did my best. Seriously, did my best. Yeah, I hope you're going to enjoy this. So far, not worth it. Even if it's going to drop right now, as we discussed before, whatever, it's not worth it. But we can try continue looking for setup on gold, or you still holding long? So guys, if you can share the video about New York Midnight Open, more people should know how to trade New York Midnight Open. So if you can share the video about this on your social media, I will appreciate this so much. Here's the link again. It's 20 minutes long video, but guys, once again, no BS there. I was trying to just cover the most important part of New York Midnight Open. Also, I provided 4 models in this video how to trade New York Midnight Open. It doesn't mean it's going to work all the time. You can backtest and see if it works for you or not, but I provided 4 entry models to trade from New York Midnight Open. Yeah, exactly same list. Yes. Nothing changed since then. You know, I like this kind of, I stream, you know guys, I share lots of educational videos on YouTube, and I stream to show that it actually works. Not I just picked random stuff and said, okay, here's a model, you need to trade this, because see, on this specific example, it worked. No, I prefer to share information and trade this actually live, to show it really works. I can see this in real time, you can see this in real time as well, it works. Today, it worked? Yes. Did I explain this before this happened? Yes! I recorded this video 2 or 3 days ago. I don't use new week opening gap, new day opening gap, but I have this level on my chart. Sometimes I can use this as target or obvious level where I would like to see market is going, but to trade from this level, not really. I have a yes chart open right now. I mean, once again, I don't mind to sell over, but looking at current garbage, I'm just going to be... I'm going to stay away. I'm still looking for setup on silver and gold. Silver looks good. Gold looks good. Let's see what kind of reaction we are going to get. Can we retrace if it's going to break this level down over here? Can we short this? Yeah, of course, let's short this. By the way, if you are going to short this, let me disconnect other accounts. Lucid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. SIL. How big? Let me see how big stop loss is going to be. Oh. With 1 micro, it's going to be $700, but with idea to make 1100 around so. Maybe we can try this one. Just trying to reduce stop loss, you know, if it's going to break level here. Not right now. Not right now. We need to get the break first. 670. So yes, you need to fill the form because every single day is going to be new prizes, new prop firms, new accounts, new subscriptions, guys. So I'm going to do some TradeZella subscriptions soon, 12-month subscriptions. So today I will still do evaluation accounts, but maybe next week, not maybe, but next week I will do TradeZella subscriptions, guys. 12-month subscriptions. Don't even start. Don't even start. Will you stream with your sister one day? I hope so. She sent me a message today that she wants to apply for visa next week. I'm not sure if she's going to get visa, but if so, I will ask her to stream together. She doesn't speak English, but whatever. MMXM only. I will have her attack trade in 2 micros, because if I will engage with 2 micros on this potential trade, it's going to be $1,400 a risk. We are not that rich yet. Lucid has end of the day drawdown. If you trade on Flex plan, you don't need to build a buffer on your front account. While Take Profit Trader has intraday trading drawdown, and you need to build save. I call the save buffer. Ideally. I cannot see right now, yes, thank you, but I know it's just BS. How perfect. How perfect it is. So tradable. Today is a perfect day to blow accounts, guys. You want to blow account? Just full party, yes, long or short, whatever. Wolf going to stop out. It's not a problem. Come on, Silver, offer set up for me. I will trade just 1 micro. Stop loss is just insane. Insanely big stop loss. Well, I need deeper retracement if you decide to engage, simply because risk with 1 micro $700. It's a lot. We need nano contracts. Come on, nano contract. We can afford to trade a couple of nano contracts. Flex is better because you don't need to build the buffer. I don't want to blow accounts, you know, just to make profit on one account and blow another account. No, come on. We're better than this. Right? Yeah, closure. And retest, because if I'm going to engage at the closure, it's going to be just $1,000 risk with 1 micro. Imagine to trade with 1 mini. Immediately daily loss limit, or immediately account blown. So gold at this point, of course, better, because it's going to be like not huge stop loss. I want to get into trading gold. Get into this, because once again, candlesticks are the same everywhere. If you see setup, just engage. But if you see setup, just engage, considering your risk. Sometimes even with 1 micro is going to be huge, and you just need to stay away because of discipline and risk management, right? If you see perfect setup but risk is $700 and your normal risk per day or per trade $300, you need to think about this, right? So far I see setup on silver, but the risk is $1,000, so I'm not going to trade this yet. It's just a lot of risk, and I know, like, I cannot make less contracts because it's already 1 micro. Silver expensive. I'm going to repeat this over and over again. It's extremely expensive, but sometimes structure is really cool. Silver instrument, like silver is instrument where you need to be right immediately or you're going to blow your account. Or it's going to be huge stop loss, seriously. Wow. Oops, sorry. Sweep model, yes, I traded this yesterday on TradingView TV stream. Let's cover this again. Was it here? No, it wasn't this. 1 second, it was here. Because yesterday I took class on longs, but longs play out. It was just stupid stop loss. See the sweep? Here's idea of using market structure and sweep. So when we see, let me actually open 15-minute chart to show you. So what can we see here? Okay. What I'm trying to draw right now, guys. What I'm drawing right now. Who can help me with this? What I'm trying to draw right now. What is this? What I can anticipate to get here. Let me hide 1 second. What I'm drawing here. What is this? Lines. Yes, that's the best answer ever. I like it. But it's right answer. I'm drawing exactly. Higher high. Higher low. I'm drawing right now bearish trend, right? So what anticipate to get? Break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. Continuation, right? This is how we trade trend, right? But in order to anticipate continuation lower, we need to get break of structure every single time until we hit higher time frame level. But what do you mean by break of structure? In order to get break of structure, which confirmation should we use for this? What can help us to understand, okay, here's a break of structure. What telling us it's not break of structure, it's something else. I'm not going to give you the answer, but it's something else. Who can help me with this? Who knows? Does anyone know? In order to confirm break of structure, what we need to get? Give me 4 words, or 5 words. Does anyone know? No one knows? Come on. I refuse to believe no one knows this. Or my chat just lagging right now. No one knows? Oh, it's my chat. Never mind. Market structure. Oh, closure. Exactly. Body closure. Sorry, my chat didn't work. Sorry about this. Closure below recent swing low, right? Closure below recent swing low. Swing low here. In order to confirm break of structure, we need to get the closure below this low here. Okay, no one knows. But let's bring our candlesticks back. What happened here? Yes, we got the closure. Perfect, we have break of structure to downside. Amazing. We got retracement back to the premium here. We anticipate to get what? Another move lower, because we didn't hit higher time frame level here. We still have floor fair value gap lower. But what will happen if price is going to fail to break this recent swing low, or it's going to fail to close below this level? If it's going to be sweep, it's not going to break of structure. If it's going to be failure to take this low, it's going to be reversal. A reversal where? To the nearest buy side liquidity level. Failure swing. That's how we call this. Failure swing. Exactly right. So if it failed to offer closure below swing low to continue going lower, to offer break of structure, or it just swept this level, we are going to use it in exactly the same way. We're looking for a move towards the opposite liquidity level. Opposite liquidity level was here. I repeated this many times yesterday. And that was the main reason why I longed yesterday twice. Okay, to confirm this, you need to use idea of valid low and valid high. So at this point, valid low is going to be here. Last done close candle over here. Well, perfect. Right now we're going to bring our candlesticks back. So once again, closure above last done close candle, which failed to take swing low, is going to be valid low. Okay, here's a potential valid low. We know if it's going to close in 15-minute chart above this level, we will go higher. Where? To opposite liquidity level. What else we got here? We got 30-minute sweep as confirmation of failure to take the swing low. In order to confirm 30-minute sweep, we need to get 3-minute OB. Did we get 3-minute OB? Yes. So first idea, I didn't enter this idea, but was here. A bit maybe aggressive. We got the closure, entry at the open of next candle, stop loss, swing low, you can aim for 2R or opposite liquidity level. Okay, it's like option. Personally, I use option is break above 10 AM open here, because we also got the closure on 15-minute chart above done close candle. So I position myself here. Once we got the closure above 10 AM open and 15-minute candle closure, I put my stop loss initial, I don't remember where it was. Here, I guess. I don't remember. I was aiming for this level. I took the trade on Tradify TV. Guys, makes sense. I'm going to cover this topic on my YouTube about market structure, but idea was there. Does this make sense? Why I longed yesterday twice? Yes, no? I'm just trying to, yeah, I will record the video, but yeah, I'm just trying to explain the reason behind the trade. Yeah, I'm doing my best to explain this as good as I can. Yeah, 3 minutes, 30 minutes sweep, 3 minute OB. Yes, exactly, it was the reason. Yeah, video will be posted. Give me 2 weeks. Okay, let's look at silver. Silver. Please, we are not that rich to trade this yet. Gold. Someone asked me if gold short. Let me see. I don't see short yet. I don't see order block. I don't see shift in structure yet. Not yet. So basically, we are not in sync yet. More experience. Of course. Everything starts with losses, mistakes, break-even trades. Of course. How are we going to learn from our mistakes? Nothing else. Nothing is going to work. Nothing else is not going to work. Yeah. Let me type in the chat. Type in time frame alignment charts, guys. Levels right now. Here it is. Guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway, your task is to fill the form and sit in the chat until 11, because at 11 I will announce winners. About short and what? Crypto. I was like, let me read this again. Well, maybe I'm wrong, but I kind of bullish on Bitcoin on daily chart. I would like to see 101 or 102 area. Once again, maybe for short-term perspective, it's fine to short. Retracement down to fair value gap, for example. But right now, I'm not quite bearish yet. I like Bitcoin higher. I think so. This form, yes, just click this link. Fill just once, guys. If you're already filled, don't fill this anymore. So right now, for example, what is going on? We're trading above New York midnight open and we're trading below 10 AM open. It's just kind of tricky area because it's bullish from one side, but from another side, it's kind of bearish on silver. While on gold, it's bullish because we're trading above New York midnight open. We already tested this level and we're expecting 10 AM open. So can I say it's not in sync right now? Yes. So if I want to use gold as confirmation on silver, I would say I would like to see break below 10 a.m. open on gold as well. So we can try to short silver. But right now, silver, right, really a tricky spot because it's bullish because we're above New York midnight open, but it's bearish because we're below 10 a.m. open. But let's see if it's going to retrace and displace. I will try. Let's check SPX. SPX approaching. I guess asking for New York midnight open is too much, right? Can you repeat? Forget about this. Don't even start. Trying to break the name open so far. I would like to see gold to pre-market high. I'm not going to lie. At this point, I just don't want to short silver yet. Even if we got the closure. So I'm going to just wait. Let's switch back on the yes. Maybe it's time. Guys, 10 more minutes to enter giveaway. Trying to break 10. Looks good, to be honest. Micro, yes. Let me see. We got 5-minute order block just now at 701. 7001. Trying to break the name open. Looks good. So I'm looking for the drop towards floor for value gap at least. Asking too much, I guess. Let's check SPX real quick. SPX didn't break this level yet. Okay, insist on SPX right now, guys. Let me bring my height from candles back. We broke above 10M open again. Also, we got sweep and reaction of 50% of 30-minute fair value gap. Not touching this. Let's see. I would like to short some shorts, guys. This short. $7,001, I guess, best entry in terms of order block. 1 second. How many points? 56 to 48. This one? $1.8R. I test it and I'm open. By the way, prove me if I'm wrong. On Monday it's going to be bank holiday? Just to make sure if it's bank holiday. We are not going to trade was yeah. I guess market is going to close at 1, right? Or fix me, guys. I need to make sure. Okay. Shorts looks good. How big stop loss? If engage here. 96. 10 points. Oh my god, that's a lot. Bank holiday. Yeah, it's bank holiday, but I'm not sure if market is going to be open at all. Yeah, I'm looking for short. Correct me. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for fixing me. It's fine. I'm perfectly fine. So at least I can improve English like this. Yeah, correct me. Because it's breakaway gap. If I'm going to engage at reaction after I'm open, I can put my stop loss at the top of this fair value gap without any problem. Come on, SPX. Stop doing this. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm perfectly fine. I never feel upset like someone fixed me. Or yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's all I can say. Yeah, because if I'm going to short, it's going to be stop loss is going to be 7,003, 7,005. 10 points. Come on, SPX. Stop playing these games. Just start moving finally. Okay, while waiting, so here's a link for giveaway, guys. If you would like to participate in giveaway. SPS broke this level. Now it looks good, especially for shorts. Retracement short down. Stop loss at this fair value gap. Let me switch on 3-minute chart. By the way, guys, not sure yet, but probably it's going to be like this soon. Not next week, but in a couple of weeks, I might start streaming early on Mondays. It's going to be from 8 to 10 a.m. on my channel and from 10:30 until 12 on Ninja Trader Live. I'm not sure exactly yet. It's not really confirmed information, but most likely it's going to be like this. I will stream from 8 to 10 a.m. on Mondays on my channel. It's going to be pre-market, mostly. No, I'm not in trade. Like, I will show you immediately, guys. I have nothing to hide. More Dasha, yes. Not this, yeah, not this Monday. I said in a couple of weeks. So far I'm sitting just with one win, guys. Now, once again, nothing else. Oops, I'm just going to show you. I took win on my Take Profit Trader Pro accounts, fund accounts. On gold. We took this before market open. Interesting. We got... Which level we took? Like some minor liquidity level. Yeah, I'm waiting for enter the trade. And in 5 minutes I will announce winners. Preferable to engage before this. How we can call this like implied fair value gap? Am I right about this? It's implied fair value gap, right? Same on yes. Oh, it's okay. It's never mind. Implied fair value gap. And Travis is not going to be here, so what's the reason to keep this in my chart? SPX needs to drop to 50%. Okay, guys, you have 4 more minutes to enter giveaway. Let's see if I can position myself. before this. But if not, then I will just position myself after stream. Not after stream, after giveaway. After stream, I'm not going to position myself anymore. Probably. Okay, let me see how many people. I excluded 113 people already because they... It's not 113, it's just lots of similar entries. Okay, let me see if... Well, after this, no one entered more than once. Good job, guys. All right. Let me move. Once again, guys, 2 more minutes to enter giveaway, and I will announce winners. So for today, 50k. Yeah. For today, 50k. TradeZella select accounts. What else? TradeZella sale ends tonight. If you would like to get 30% off, today is the last day to get this. So yeah, let's see. Guys, 1 more minute to enter giveaway, and I will announce winners. And I will send you accounts. Guys, if you won accounts yesterday, you should receive account. It was TradeZella straight to funded Lightning Fund account. Oh, come on, just one trade so far. I don't like how SPX right now trying to displace this liquidity from this liquidity level. Never broke, just swept this level. Okay. Not worth it, I would say. Not worth it. I'm fine, so I'm going to sit without trade at all. Like, no complaints. By the way, guys, while we're waiting for 11, guys, you can get extra entry for giveaway. You just need to share your this giveaway on social media, on your social media. So yeah, you need to share the link for this giveaway on your social media. It gives you option once you fill the form. You will see this to get extra entry. It's too long. You can just erase some stuff from there, delete some stuff from there. And nothing. And nothing. Just it's like, you know, it's really better just to be flat than this. Seriously. Gold needs to go to pre-market high. Guys, okay. Okay, it's time to announce winners. You ready? You ready? Yeah, you can delete some stuff from there, like just leave my link for stream. And that's it. Okay. People. Let's do giveaway. So once I said your name, you need to say, "Hey Dasha, it's me. I'm here. I won. I'm so happy." I know, like something. Just type something. What? What? Okay, last attempt. It's lagging for some reason. What? 1 second. Something wrong is going on. Let me fix this. No eligible entries. 1 second, I will do another way. Guys, okay, I will give you 5 more minutes while I'm trying to fix this. 1 second. You can still enter. It's just lagging a little bit. You can still enter, guys. Okay. Forgot to turn on something. 1 second. Oh, it's here. No, never mind. It's lagging a little bit. It's fine, guys. I'm going to fix this in 5 minutes. Let's focus on trading a little bit. Maybe we'll try to trade silver and gold again. I will fix in 5 minutes. Sorry, guys, about this. Sorry about it, guys. 5 more minutes to fix this. Technical setup still valid. Let's see. And it's even better. Let me switch on micro silver again. This stop is going to be less. To try to trade this short. Check gold real quick. Looks good. We got the closure. Would like to see drop towards this area here. Just a retracement down. Let's see. We below 10M open right now. Yeah, just garbage. I'm not going to even trade today indices. Not for me. Gold. On gold, we don't have structure yet, but on silver, yes, it's still dissipating previous structure. You promise me? It's, yeah, guys, fixing. I will try again. Oh, it works right now. Yay, it works right now. It works. Woohoo! Are you in the chat? Time for... You have 43 seconds, guys. See, I added timer here. You hear? Jubilin... Just tell me, yes, I'm here. You have 20 seconds to say it's me. Please. No. 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 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Please. Don't do this with me. No. Guys, highly recommend to sit in the chat once you fill the form. Because at this point, yeah, I'm not just going to wait for too long, guys. Silver. My baby. Don't want to miss. 1 second. I'm just trying to see how big it is. It's around like 1.5 hour or so. Let me check gold. Gold approaching, yeah, it's about to, let's see if it's going to close in over 5 minute OB. I like silver more, but gold, if gold is going to over 5 minute or block, we can just short gold. It's going to be a better risk. But so far, we can just look for a setup on silver. Gold, 3 minutes left on this candle. what I'm watching. Guys, 1 second. Just, I don't want to miss trade. That's why. 1 second. Sorry about this. Okay, we're picking another winner. Guys, I cannot pronounce your usernames, but winner, are you in the chat? Frank, you won 2 times in a row. And 42 seconds left. Eddie. Okay, 20 seconds. If not, then not. So, this is how it works. Gold, 2 minutes left on candle. Next one is 8 seconds, guys. And, sorry, my man. Sorry, my friend. Next one. You, why so long? Next one. Are you in the chat? Yeah! Thank you. You were fast enough. Okay, next. Okay, you won. Next winner. Last one. Last one. Ravens Word 97. Oh yeah, guys, you're fast enough. Thank you so much. I will send you accounts right after Steam, guys. Still, since I'm in this chat right now, I'm just going to do some guide here in this chat. If you want to learn ICT but you don't know where to start, I created playlist with tracker here so you can track your progress here while you're learning the stuff. So you can start with foundations and go to core, advanced, extra, and market maker model. So after every single video, for example, core, I finished watching this bridge content. After watching every single video, you can leave notes. I learned this, and this. I learned this, and this. Perfect, amazing. You left notes. You can leave timestamp here as well. So it's just best way if you're trying to learn ICT. And here's just best order you ever find, guys. Best structured order for learning ICT. I'll just announce winners. Next one is guides here, like guides about prop firms, what you need to do, how to pass, how to manage, how to make money, what happens when you fail your challenge account, what should you do with this information. Just click on link here and read info. This is all about how to trade prop firms accounts, guys. Different guides. I'm going to add more guides soon. But yeah, perfect a guide for you to, before you start trading with prop firm accounts. Before you start trading with prop firm accounts, just read all info available here. I'm going to add more info about how to manage your funded and evaluation accounts, how to trade them in a better way soon, maybe next week, maybe in 2 weeks. But here's the best way. Also, you can compare prop firms here on this website. Just compare If you want to compare, let's say, Tradify and Lucid, you can compare them. Which one is better, which one not better. Best options here. For example, if you don't know where to start, which platform to pick, Tradify or Lucid, you can just compare them. As well as you can do smart match here. So basically answer questions. I'm going to just randomly click. And it will give you options, which platform is better for you. Talking about Pro Tools here. Pro Tools here, guys. Everything available for free. We have 5 free options here. Future slot size calculator. And this calculator, you can calculate your contract size. For example, you have 50K account, maximum drawdown $1,250. Risk amount, so how much you're ready to risk? 350. How many points? Let's say on gold, 10 points. I'm going to trade micro gold. I can afford to trade 3 micros only because at this point I'm going to risk $300. Next one is consistency rule calculator. So you're going to enter your profit, end of the day profit. Let's say, I don't know, like something like this, just randomly. And it will show you how much you need to make extra to meet consistency rule. Next one, best one, drawdown simulator. So basically trying to figure the difference between intraday trading drawdown and end of the day drawdown. You can see the difference here. Just enter numbers here. I know, like any numbers you like, and you will see the difference, how it works by the end of the day. It's just simulator just to play with drawdown if you're trying to figure this out. Account size quiz. So basically, if you don't know which account you need to pick, just pass this quiz. It's just simple questions. And this one, last one, guys. Here, it's completely free, guys. You can, first you need to sign in or sign up. So you can create templates here. Your idea is to manage how much you spend on accounts, on the sets, on evaluation, on activation fee, and how much you earn. So at this point, you can see if you net profitable or not. So completely free, you just enter, you can create templates here, enter all the available data here, how much you spent on a reset today, on, I know, like on your new evaluation, activation fee, and how much you make. And you will see if you're net profitable or not. You can add accounts here, transactions here, your goals. It's like your firm performance, like once again, your firm performance, you can add your own account. And reports. It will be available here for free, completely for free. Just you need to add accounts. Completely free. Once again, guys, not going to charge any money. Daniel, stop it. Gold took pre-market high. That's perfect. What else? What else? And yes, all best available deals available on this website. Also giveaways every single day here. Best deals with expiration and best recommendation about prop firms also here. So I recommend to use this website for your convenience, I would say. I don't charge, yeah. Should I charge any money for this? Look at gold. Failed to offer 5 minute OB. Just continue going higher. Wow. While indices, nothing. No money at all, yeah. Guys, I'm working on lots of cool stuff on this website. Lots of cool and free stuff. It's going to be better than lots of paid subscriptions soon. And SPX, well, on SPX, I would like to set it as to 50% then long. I can trade Silver Mania. Need your help? What kind of help? It's lagging? Where it's lagging? Maybe it's my internet right now. Do you take... We will see. I mean, right now it's 11:16. I took just one trade today. I didn't take any other trades. I already showed before. It was gold long. I made only this money today, nothing else. with 4 micros. Didn't take anything else. I really wanted to short silver, but gold never provided structure. The more futures you add, I pay for this. So it's not going to be like a luck. No luck is going to be there because I pay for this just more. It's fine. You don't need to worry about this. It's not going to luck. Where did you enter? I would say yeah. But gold is just, once again, perfect idea here since we got low resistance to upside. Why you cannot create account? Can you send me screenshot, please? I will check this for you. Just send me in Discord. Silver bullet. Oh, inside this consolidation. Yeah, thank you. I will try to fix this for you. I know why. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well. I will stream today PM session, guys, on TradingView TV. I hope to get something because right now, honestly, I see nothing good to trade. I want short silver, but unfortunately, gold did not provide a structure. Maybe fortunately, because it could be less. But yeah, I didn't. So guys, I will see you in less than 2 hours. I'm going to stream PM session on TradingView TV. Not sure if I'm going to trade something right now, unless they will offer textbook A+++++ setup. Right now, of course, I don't see anything. So guys, I will see you in 90 minutes on TradingView TV, and let's try to trade. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget Epics and TradingView sales ends tonight. If you want to get accounts with 30% off on TradingView or 85% off on Epics plus $65 activation fee, today is the last day, guys. I will see you soon in 90 minutes on TradingView TV. Let's kill there together. Also, guys, Lucid, if you would like to trade micro silver contracts on Lucid, it's way to go. 45% off for new users now there. And for active user 35%, but for new users 45% off. You can trade micro silver there. It's option, great option. So guys, love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for likes. Thank you for subscribing. See you in 90 minutes. Bye guys.